Hello and welcome. I'm going to be taking you through a 5-minute yoga sequence that you can do at any time of day. As when you're ready, we'll come through to your standing position. Feet can be hip width apart or slightly wider if you prefer. We can take the hands down by our sides, softening the knees. And we'll begin to take the arms up overhead. Gaze can fall if appropriate for the neck, maybe a slight back bend. And then we'll begin to melt and fold down, forward fold. As you arrive, taking a halfway lift. And then we'll fold back down. We're going to take that one more time. Inhaling up. Slight back bend if you prefer. And folding down. As you fold, we'll take our halfway lift, hands to thighs, shins or peace fingers to the earth, shoulders away from the ears. And we'll soften and fold. Planting the hands, we're going to begin to come into a wide-legged forward fold. So stepping the feet as wide as is comfortable. Hands can stay underneath the shoulders and in contact with the earth. Otherwise, you might take them to the hips, thighs, calves, maybe the ankles. We'll take a moment here. We're going to begin to take a little bit of a Skandasana or rainbow lunge, beginning to heavily bend your left knee as I face you, mirroring. And we'll come back through center and then taking it over towards the right. As when we're ready, we'll come back through our center, taking the hands over towards that left leg, heavily bending the left knee, the right foot beginning to go up towards the sky, taking your rainbow lunge. Hands can stay in contact with the earth. Maybe we take a hand or two to the thigh. Maybe we take the hands to the heart. And from here, we'll release the hands, coming back through our wide-legged forward fold. Taking a halfway lift here, hands underneath the shoulders. Ensure you're not leaning towards the back of your space. Softening the knees, and we'll hinge back down. Beginning to take that rainbow lunge over to the right side. Again, we can stay exactly here. Otherwise, letting the sit bone come towards the heel. Left hip is going up towards the sky, your choice of hands. We'll begin to come back through center. Halfway lift. And fold. Beginning to toe heel the feet back to hip width apart. From our forward fold, we're going to begin to plant the hands, stepping back through to a downward dog, upside down V. And I'm just taking a few moments here, pedaling. Maybe finding some stillness. Releasing the knees down towards the earth, untucking the toes. Coming in through to a brief child's pose. Hands in front. We're going to take threading of the needles, beginning to lift the gaze. Taking your right forearm underneath the chest. Maybe you can take that right hand over. Now our left hand can stay exactly where it is. Maybe we begin to bind, taking the fingertips towards the waist, tailbone, or maybe the hip. Beginning to release that left hand back, unthreading the right arm. Let's work on the other side. Taking that right hand back in front, unthreading that left arm, and we'll begin to come sitting on the heels. And we're going to begin to explore baby camel, taking the hands behind you. We can stay here, opening up the chest. Otherwise, beginning to lift the sit bones up. Exhaling, releasing the sit bones. Arms beginning to go up overhead. Living into cactus. Arms going up towards the sky. And then casually coming down in towards the heart. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your practice. And thank you for taking this very quick 5-minute yoga flow. If you'd like to check out any of the other short practices or longer practices, check out the link in the description. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon.